you like to see Bailey?
Good morning. We have our therapy puppies in today right after our rigorous exercise that we just had.
Good morning, friends. Colby. Hi. Yeah, he's whooshing. Yes. Do you like an ornament? Well, we have an ornament of Colby. Would you like a picture? Oh, absolutely. Yeah, that's for you. He's got his pajamas on. And it says, have a lazy Christmas. And that fits him perfectly. What? Because he's lazy. He likes to lay down. Oh, look at you guys up there on the screen. You guys are having a Mexican. Wow, that's cool. Doing the maracas and stuff.
Mexican standoff.
Good morning. Here's our friend Colby. Come to see you. No, it doesn't have my name. It's really soft. Now you have a picture of Colby. That's not Bailey. There you go. Yes. Yes. Okay, what sweatshirt do you have on today? I knew you had a dog on it. Okay, Dalmatian. She always has a dog shirt on when we come and visit. Hello. Oh, wow. Oh, wait, there's Reggie. Well, you know what? We'll Panda. Thank you. Aren't you pretty? Nice. Thank you. Christmas. With sloth on it. Yeah. And how are you doing this morning? Good? Yes. Awesome. That's great. Do you have a card? A card? Okay. Yes, I have. I want to live my house. You like the dogs? Did you give her any breakfast? Would you like her picture? How did she get the name Bailey? The lady that gave her to me. I bought it from her and had her name. I wanted to change her name to Riley because my other dog is Reggie and Riley. They're related. I know.
Oh, she likes the little ones, huh?
Okay, this is little Bailey. Bailey. Bailey? Yes, Bailey. Would you like her picture?
I don't know about that.
You don't know about that? Okay. Would you like to hold her? Do you think you'd like to hold her? On your lap?
Put her on your lap. Give her some love.
Look, see? You can pet her head. She doesn't bite. She doesn't bite. Here's her fur back here. It's nice and soft. See, it's nice and soft. Yes. This is her little Christmas dress. She has a little bow. What do you think? You like it? I'm happy that you do. Okay. Remember pants. Oh, who drew the Grinch? That's a good word. Yeah.
Thank you.
I have no talent. I'm lucky I can make stick.
You wanted something? Could you play with it?
She's going to play right in front of you, okay? So you can see her.
Play with it?
I don't let him play with the ornaments. It doesn't bother him. Yeah. Come here, I got the tree.
He's a good boy. They're beautiful.
There you come.
The last time they did it was
Let's listen.
only 2.5 dogs.
Come on, play for them.
The big one's here today and the little one's too.
Okay. Give me a paw. Give me, no, I want this paw. Okay, give me the other paw. Give me the other paw. Sit. Sit. Give me the other paw. That's right. There you go. Okay, now play some more. Play some more. I got the treat. Play some more. Play some more. Oh, she's laying down on the job. Look at her. There you go.
Good job.
Still got the treat, right? Yeah. First she's going to try and go around it. Okay, I got the treat. Come on, through. See? Come here. Okay, through. And